Pikachu!
Uh-oh.
I bet you want to know how I ended up in this situation.
I want to say you have to go in bed on time. Or next day you're gonna be sleepy and tired.
Let's get to the beginning. I decided to be an artist. I'm gonna show you my favorite pencils. This is from Miss Beckman. This is from my school.
Oink, oink.
And this is from my friend Stella. I will need them to draw pictures, and those are color pencils. I can color the pictures in green, blue, orange, pink, sky blue, purple, this color, skin, our skin, brown, yellow, red, sky green, black. Now you know what kind of color you're gonna use. Let's draw some pictures. Let's draw a cute chicken. Okay, I'm gonna use this pencil. Okay, first you make a head like this. Then you make the eyes. Now you have to use black to color the eyes in. To draw this. Now we're gonna draw the body. Now I'm gonna draw the hands. Okay, let's make it with the heart. We need our chicken. Now we have the picture of our chicken. We will color it in. Let's add some orange. Finished! Then you have to put your name to make sure no one grabs it. Or when you put your name, he will know it is yours, so he will give it to you back. Now I have to write my name. but they're gonna do with the special pen. Now let's draw a Pokeball. It is really easy. One day I could be a good trainer of Pokemons. Now I draw a Pokeball. Let's get started. We finished drawing the Pokemon, so now let's color it in. It is a red Pokeball. Ah! It's not fun. You let me go. Uh-oh, it's dark here. Ooh. This is the Pokeball Master Ball. Let's draw something else. Now let's draw those long dogs. I call them hot dogs. You can pause the video at home if you want to match it, okay? We finished. Let's color it in. Now let's draw Pikachu. We finished drawing Pikachu. Now let's color it in. Draw animals, but it will be buffalo. Let's draw him.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere.
We finished drawing buffalo. So I have trophies. I need to draw more. Let's go! Finished. You want trophies too. You have to win them. You all deserve for trophies. They was basic picture. Now let's make one little complicated. It will be a fox. Fox missing one, a tail. We finish it. Now let's add some color. We finished drawing our fox. It's blue because it is winter fox. Or when summertime, it could be orange. Now, I'm gonna draw lake today. Now let's draw a parrot. This is my parrot. Now let's write my name.